Okay, let's continue with number 3 now. We are given a rectangular pyramid shown. I'm trying to find the volume of it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I want to look up the formula in my star reference materials for the volume of a rectangular pyramid. Volume of a pyramid is 1/3 of the area of the base times the height of the pyramid. All right. Volume is 1/3. And we'll move this over so you can see it. The area of the base times the height of the pyramid. All right. My base is a rectangle. It's right here. So I need to find the area of that rectangle. Again, use my reference materials. Area of a rectangle is base times height, or length times width. So 15 times 20. Putting a rectangle shape around this, right? 15 times 20. 15 times 2 is 30. Add a 0, 300. Oh, what's the height of my pyramid? Let's look, it's right here. Remember that H makes a height 22. At this point, let's see, well, 1/3 of 300 is 100. 100 times 22 is 2200. So my answer choice B is going to give me the correct answer, 2200 cubic yards. Number 4. A circle has a circumference of 56 pi centimeters. What is the radius of the circle? All right, again, the star reference material is going to be my best friend here. I'm dealing with circumference of a circle. Let's take a look. Circumference of a circle, C equals 2 times pi times r, or C equals pi times d. Well, which one do I want? Am I given the radius or am I given the diameter in this question? Oh, I want to find the radius. So I'm going to use the formula that has radius in it. So I'm going to write this down. C equals 2 pi r. C equals 2 pi r. Okay? Now we'll plug in what I have. I don't know what r is, but I do know what c is. C is this guy. So I'm going to write that instead of c. I'm going to put 56 pi equals 2 pi r. See how that works? You just plug in whatever you do know. Now I have an equation. I have one thing I don't know. I'm going to solve for that using algebra. I don't know what this is. This is my unknown birthday present. I do know that next to it is being multiplied 2 pi. So in order to unwrap this gift and get to what r is, I need to get rid of this 2 pi. I need to unwrap the 2 pi. I need to unmultiply the 2 pi. How do you unmultiply something? You divide it. So I divide by 2 pi. Both sides, and there's a little railroad track here. Divided here, I get the equal sign stays. This cancels out. 2 pi divided by 2 pi is 1. And 1 times r is r. 56 pi divided by 2 pi, well, I get 56 divided by 2 is 28. Pi divided by pi is 1. So I get 28 equals r. All right. Question number 5. What is the volume of a triangular prism that has a height of 45 meters and has a base with an area of 20 square meters? Well, again, a couple strategies. I'm going to draw it first. A triangular prism that has a height of 45 meters and a base with an area of 20 square meters. And I'm going to look at my formula. My formula for a triangular prism. Well, volume of a prism equals base times height. Area of the base times the height. I'm going to write that here. Volume of a prism equals area of the base times the height. And I know the area, my base is a triangle shape. So I'm going to put a triangle. Okay? What do I know? Well, I don't know volume. I do know the area of my base. So I'm going to put in my area of my base is 20. I do know my height. My height is 45. 45 times 2 is 90. Add a 0 on the end. Gives me 900. By the way, the trap answer here was B, 300. This would be the volume of a pyramid. And there's also another trap answer, C. You're thinking, well, you got to divide by 2 because of the triangle. No, you don't have to divide by 2. The area is already given to you. Okay? All right, let's take a break there as well.